everybody, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I am here in the UK on a sunny day. Would you believe? It's cold. Spring hasn't come yet. I wish it'd hurry up and get here. And yeah, so I do videos, I do yarn hauls, I do a live every Wednesday, and I started to do pop-up lives every other Sunday, if you can join me. So today I want to share a yarn haul that I got from Hobby Rocks, which is Tracy, and I'm going to open it and let's see what we've got. I've got to be very careful, guys, because obviously I don't want to finger the yarn. Oh, I can see yarn, guys. Oh, I can see yarn. Oh, nice. Let's see what we've got. It's that while ago since I did it, purchased it. So we've got Proper Purple Special DK Aran, which is a 4-weight. Oh, the ball bands come off. I'll have to, oh, don't you just hate that? So I think I got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 of them. Yeah. And then I got, oh, I didn't tell you what the specs, did I? They're 100% premium acrylic, 196 meters, 214 yards, and it's an anti-pilling, and this is called Proper Purple. And then I bought Stylecraft Batik double knitting, which is a 3-weight, 80% premium acrylic, 20% wool, 138 meters, 151 yards, and this is a 50-gram skein. And I think I got 6 of these. It doesn't tell me what colour it is. Oh yes, it does. Oh, indigo. So yeah, so I got, oh, that's not indigo, that's teal. So I think, oh, I got 3 of them. And I got 3 of them. These are teal. So I purchased these because these are going to be future giveaways, guys. And then I ordered magenta Aran, the same specs as the Proper Purple, and yeah, so I got them, 3 of them. And oh, I got a hook. Oh, what number's this? 6.5 hook, crochet hook. I think that was thrown in by Tracy. And a little notions bag. And then I ordered, when I was watching, sorry for the crinkle, guys, when I was watching Tracy, she had these, she was showing these balls, which are tape measures, and you can never have too many tape measures. Yeah, so I've got 2 of them. You can never have too many tape measures, guys, I'm telling you. And then, oh, raspberry tea. Oh, I've never had raspberry tea before. Thank you, Tracy. I'll have to check that out. I'll check that out. Raspberry tea. And then I bought myself some of these. These are called the Higher Stitch Markers. And these will be ideal for, you know, for my knitting projects. And I got these, see? So I've got an orange one. Let me see. These three colours always remind me of Halloween. Let me just see if I can grab them together. Sorry guys. So I got those three colours. They always remind me of Halloween then. And then I got these colours. If I can grab hold of them. Sorry guys. Sorry. Making you wait. And I got them. So thank you, Tracy. So that was my first order from Hobby Rocks, which of course we all know is our Tracy. And I will put the link below to the website and also to Tracy's channel. So yeah, so guys, what do you think of the yarns that I've got for future giveaways? So we've got 2 of them and we've got 2 of them. So we've got 4 weight and we've got DK. These are going to be future giveaways. So guys, that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.